How to assemble your 20, 26, or 30-foot poly boom. You will need pliers, a hammer, two 15/16" wrenches, and two 1/2" wrenches. First, lay out the boom arms on either side of the centerpiece. Insert the bolt through the top hole of the centerpiece and the top of the boom. Slide on the first washer, the spring, and the second washer, and insert the bolt through the bottom two holes. Insert the pin into the hole on the bolt just above the top washer and hammer it into place. Then screw the nut onto the bolt. Flip the boom arm up to a 90-degree angle and tighten the boom until the spring is compressed. If you have a 26 or a 30-foot boom, there will be two arm extensions. Slide the extension on the existing arm. Insert the bolt through the top hole and tighten it. Take the plumbing line extension and screw it to the existing brass fitting. Follow this same procedure for the other side. Your poly boom should now be assembled.